mauna ka na. Kasi at the end of the day, yun ang mga pinaka-binabayaran ng mahal. Yung mga may courage to do those things na hindi kayang gawin ng iba. Those people who took the initiative to be the first. Yun ang pinaka-binabayaran ng mahal. Because they have the attitude, they have the guts, they have the courage, they have the grit to do those things na walang nakakagawa at hindi pa nagagawa ng iba. So kung meron kang idea, kung may naisip kang maganda, gawin mo na. Huwag mo nang antayin yung iba para mauna pa sa'yo. Ikaw nang mauna because you will never know unless you do it, unless you try. And you don't have to be perfect. You can fail along the way. You can make mistakes along the way. Do not be afraid to make mistakes because making mistakes is part of your journey to success. Kapag nagkamali ka, tuloy mo lang. Kapag nagkamali ka, gawin mo lang ulit. Why? Hindi naman pwedeng isang try lang. Hindi mo pwedeng dalawang try lang. You keep on trying. You keep on doing it until such time magawa mo ng tama yung gusto mong gawin so that you can achieve the things that you want to achieve. Mauna ka. If you have this kind of attitude, isa lang sigurado ko sa'yo, ikaw ang unang yayaman sa buong angkan mo. Whatever the hell it takes.